Every day, more and more garbage is washed up on our shores, and plastic is playing the major part in marine waste. It's taking up a huge part of our daily life, and even though plastic has many good qualities, the long degradation time means that plastic doesn't disappear. Outside of Sweden's west coast, we have the Gulf Stream. It has a big positive impact on our climate and makes the weather a lot warmer, but there is a downside as well. The Gulf Stream makes a turn by Sweden's west coast and therefore leaves garbage from the ocean on our shores. When plastic ends up in the ocean, it is dangerous in many ways. It could hurt the marine-based life, by them, for example, getting stuck or whales eating whole plastic bags. But the plastic is slowly breaking down to successively smaller pieces because of primarily friction, and in the end the pieces are too small to see with the human eye. These tiny plastic pieces are called microplastics, and it's just recently that we have discovered how big this issue really is. Plastics are able to bind with toxic chemicals in the air, and therefore these substances who aren't supposed to be there end up in the ocean.
Did you know that 2/3 of our muscles contain plastic? And that goes for a huge part of our marine life.
They have estimated that about 8,000 cubic meters of trash is left on Sweden's west coast every year. That's 8 million liters of junk. And on our coastline we spend about $112,000 every year just to clean up this mess on our shores. We are aware of this problem, and we put a lot of effort into holding our country as clean as possible. This still isn't enough, but when compared to the rest of the world, Sweden is in the front when it comes to garbage management. We have a good access to recycling stations, and we are recycling about 99% of all our household waste. We therefore have very few dumps, which otherwise would contribute to the increasing amount of trash that exists in the ocean. Sometimes we even have to import garbage from other countries, which is needed to produce heat. It is up to us to deal with this problem. We hope that this recycling evolution that Sweden has gone through will spread to other parts of the world, and in the end we can stop the pollution of our oceans. Sweden is beautiful, and we want our children to experience that as well.
What about them scares you so?